Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope that you all are fine, happy, and fresh. This is your science teacher Muhammad Mashood Khan, and today we are going to discuss about the question. We are going to discuss the question answer of chapter number 6, that is particles. Page number is 85-86, and the first question is: explain why a metal bar expands when it is heated. The answer is: when a metal bar is heated, its molecules gain energy and begin to move faster. They bump into each other more often and with greater force. This makes them move further apart and the space between them increases, thus causing the bar to expand. So the question was asked, why a metal bar get expand. So the answer is because of the heating. When we heat, the molecules gain energy, and when they gain energy they move faster, and because of their faster movement the molecule get expanded. As you can see in the figure, that the metal, which is stainless steel, it is getting expanded when we are heating it. So as compared to ceramic, metals get more expand than the ceramics. So basic concept is that when molecules get energy from heat, they vibrate faster, and as they vibrate faster they move faster, they collide with each other, and the result of collision the expansion is occurred. So this is the reason. Question number 2 is: why do you think gases expands more than solids? Heating gives atoms and molecules more energy. This causes them to move faster and bump into each other more often with greater force. As a result, they move further apart. Since the particles are much further apart in gases as compared to solids, expansion is more in gases than in solids. So the question was asked that why gases expands more as compared to solids. So the reason is that, as you can see in the figure, if we compare the three models of molecular model of solid, liquid, and gases, so solids, their molecules are very tightly packed with each other. Molecules of liquid are a bit far away from each other, and gas have a lot of space between their molecules. So this is the reason when we heat them, so they have a lot of space, so they can move more freely as compared to liquids, solids, and liquids. So this is the reason. The more the space they get, the more faster and easily they can move. So that is why they expand more as compared to solid, liquids, and gases. As you can see in the figure, the gas molecules have a lot of space between them. The next question is: how is gas pressure produced? Gases are squashy and can easily be compressed. If a sealed container can resist the expansion when a gas is heated, gas pressure will be produced inside it. So you can see two pistons. You can say there are two pistons, with one with the greater volume and one with the lesser volume. So we say, what is pressure? Pressure is force per unit area. So we say that greater the volume, greater the area, lesser will be the pressure. So if we will compress, we will reduce the volume, it will increase the pressure. This is how the gas pressure is increased, by reducing the volume. So by compressing it, because the molecules which were having some energy with some lot of space, they wasted their energy in that space by moving in it. So when they are compressed, the energy is same, but they have less space. The next question is now: explain how air pressure keeps a balloon inflated. Millions of air molecules inside the balloon move rapidly in all directions, bouncing off each other and the walls of the balloon. Each time a molecule hits the wall of the balloon, it gives the wall a tiny push. Millions of tiny pushes add up into one big push, leading to increasing air pressure that inflates the balloon. So the question was asked that how air pressure keeps a balloon inflated. So the reason is the air molecules which are present inside the balloon, so this volume with them is less as compared to the outside. So the molecules which are present inside the balloon, they push the balloon outward. So every molecule pushes a bit. So when these all molecules, their forces are added up, so it gives a big push to the balloon to be expanded. The next is the activity, that how air pressure keeps a balloon inflated. So you can see in a figure that air pressure is inflating a balloon, and it is the balloon get expand by some activity. We will discuss this activity in detail, that how it is done, but in this little clip you can see that balloon is inflated and there is no such machinery added to it which is inflating it. So we need one empty bottle and some vinegar. We will put this vinegar into the bottle and we will keep it on the table so it is steady. Then we will take a balloon, keeping in mind that the balloon must not have any hole in it. So we will then take a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, so you can just take a cap of a bottle and you can just tie up the balloon to it, and you will fix it on the cap of the bottle, and then you will put some baking soda in it. So this is baking soda. We will take 1 spoon, we will take another spoon, and we will put it like this. We will just stir it so that baking soda can settle down in the balloon easily. And then the third one, the amount we require here is about 3 teaspoons, you can say. So we will just stir it, we will just vibrate it so the baking soda can settle down in the balloon easily. Then we will take this balloon and we will just take it and we will just put it on the bottle like this. So making sure that it has completely tightened the bottle from the upside. Now we will erect the balloon, so baking soda will fall in the vinegar, and as a result the gas will be given off by the chemical reaction. So the gas will rise, and you can see the gas rises and get into the balloon, and balloon is getting filled by this gas, and balloon is, the pressure of gas is increasing as by the chemical reaction of this vinegar and the baking soda. In a reaction, the gas is given off, which is expanding the balloon, which is by which the pressure was increased inside the balloon. So the next question is, when a balloon is inflated, where do you think the air pressure is highest, inside or outside? Explain your answer. So air pressure is highest inside the balloon. That is why it remains inflated, otherwise it would become squashed. So it's a definite answer that the pressure inside the balloon is greater than outside. Just because the balloon is not inflated, balloon is having fully filled with gas, having a lot of pressure as compared to outside. So that is why the gas molecules are pushing the balloon from inside, they're pushing the balloon to outside, which are giving the push from the balloon from the inner side.